Hello guys from my studio Iacopelli. Like you can see, we are in a beautiful place in California. The best place. So these guys, I find this guy, they say, can you do a master class live? I'm gonna do some ragu. And right, so I'm gonna teach these guys how to make the best Neapolitan pizza at home or in the business. So make sure to check out until the end.
Smash the like, subscribe.
Invest your time to watch until the end. Enjoy this panoramic view and this house. Okay, while the ragu is cooking, I want to show you a little bit what they have. Come here. They have a beautiful marble top here to make the pizza. It's perfect. We got the flour, we got the yeast, the bowl, and of course I got my Polish made 24 hours ago. They got the pio. The pizza oven is warming up. Like you can see, it's just wood. We're waiting the oven to get all white on the top. This way it's perfect to cook the pizza. But in the meantime, I want to show you also I have some dough ready. This is the most important part, the dough that I made 2 hours ago with the Polish that I made yesterday. It's a 70% hydration. I can't wait to show you what is gonna happen today. Okay, it's time to go ahead and get ready with all the toppings here. Like you can see, we got some tomato sauce, then we got the cheese. We got some real pepperoni. Come here, where you going? Vieni qua, vieni. I'll teach you something. This is American pepperoni, which in Italy is pepperoni is the bell pepper.
But it's sliced thick.
American pepperoni versus real pepperoni. Spicy salami. Spicy salami, no pepperoni. And no pineapple on the pizza, like it says in the
No pineapple on the pizza.
Pineapple doesn't belong on the pizza. Yeah. No, don't do that. Don't do that. No. Do you have some basil?
Yes, in the garden, outside
in the garden.
front.
Let's go on his farm right here. Look at this. It's amazing, this house. I wish to have a house like this. That's insane what you have here. We got some other veggies here.
Peppers, squash, tomato,
artichoke. That's my basil right here. I'm gonna get some basil right here for the pizza. So it needs to be fresh. Let's get the big leaf of basil. Make sure you get the big one, because if you get the smaller one, you're gonna kill the spore basil. It looks good. What else do you have? What kind of veggie? Oh, the flour, zucchini flour.
Oh, here.
Amazing.
Here.
There we go. That's too small. Zucchini flour. We're gonna make some special pizza today. It's insane. Thank you so much for the basil. Let's go back, prepare the ingredients. Voila, the prosciutto, it's ready. Whoa. Quick, we start by making the Polish. Polish is the yeast that is made 16 to 24 hours ago. So basically we make 400 grams of water, 400 grams of flour, 5 grams of yeast and 5 grams of honey. Mix everything up. And then we put it in the 1 hour at room temperature and then 24 hours in the fridge. And this is the moment that I'm gonna go ahead and make the dough. Dump the whole Polish inside the bowl. We're adding 600 grams of water. So a total of 1 liter. Now we need the salt. We need 40 grams every liter of water. So we need to add the 40 grams. So scald that. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and melt the Polish in the water. You can see I'm melting. So basically this is my yeast. This dough is gonna be ready in 2 hours. We add the salt inside. So now that the yeast is melted with the water, go and dump the flour. We need a total of 1,450 grams of flour minus the 400.
It's 1,050.
Oh, you're good at math. I was thinking. Okay, dump the 1 kilo. Hold on. Go. I'll go by eyes because I know the amount. Voila. Then we add 1 kilos of flour. We mix everything together until it's all one piece. Okay. So anyway, once it's everything together compact, we go ahead and start to work the dough on top of the counter. Make sure you clean everything. So now we make the dough like this. It's gonna take about 2-3 minutes. Mix everything up. So see what I'm doing? I'm lifting it up and doing a ball. So, but at this point, see, it's sticky. Olive oil, a little bit. Tap. That's it. So, and by the way, I have a masterclass, online masterclass, where I teach everything online. So, not on YouTube. That's like an actual pizza course, where they can, if you want to level up your pizza game, that's what I'm doing. That's what I did on my masterclass. right here. So anyway, tap, 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 right there, olive oil. Now, that's the secret right here. We close it, and we let it rest for about 10 minutes. This way, the gluten starts to build. Back in track.
All right, guys.
You guys enjoy some pizza. Now it's time to go back here because 10 minutes pass by. Voila. Now you'll see that the pizza, tap, tap, tap. This way you get olive oil in your hands. Okay. The goal is to make the pizza smooth. The pizza dough smooth on top. We detach it this way. We want to keep the top part on top. Okay. Quick movement like that. Lift it up and then across. Like a magic. See? What happened? We build the gluten. Did you see? The perfect way to make the pizza is put a little bit of olive oil. A little bit of olive oil in the bowl. This is the perfect way, okay? Pay attention. Then I get it and then I put it right here. Wrap it up. In the fridge for 24 hours.
Pizza pie, that's amore. That's amore. Come on, John. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine. That's amore. Wow.
So now let's go back and let's finish up the dough. 20 minutes pass by. And like you can see, the gluten build up even more. No more olive oil. You need to have a box right here. Flour under, a little bit. Don't use flour at this point because if you use the flour, you're gonna change the hydration of the pizza dough. Use a little bit of olive oil that is on top of the dough, like that, and then we go like this. We cut the pizza dough this way. Very important. You want to have this part here always on top. So that's what we're gonna do. We flip it over and then we open like a kind of a balloon. Go inside, and then you cut like the mozzarella.
So Vito, what's the weight?
The weight is gonna be 280 grams.
280. Okay.
Yes. You guys don't believe me? Okay, let's do this.
Oh.
The challenge accepted. Challenge.
Well, I did it fast. Okay, so.
282. 282.
Okay.
Let's see.
How much?
I said
286.
286. 6 grams. But the important thing is it needs to be always the top on top. So this part always on top. And that's how you do it. Then once you have this, you go ahead and place it. You have to have at least 4 fingers apart or 3. Depends on the box. You want to try?
Yes.
Come here.
Yes. Let's do it fast.
Right. Let's see if you pay attention. We don't need this. It's already cut. Because your hands are super dry, you're gonna get stuck. A little bit of olive oil in your hands.
Tap, tap, tap.
Ta, come on, Uruguay.
Make sure. So grab it. This part needs to be on top. Make the ball.
God, he's so slow.
That's how you make the balls, no?
Jesus, we don't have until tomorrow, Margo. He said fast.
He hasn't made the balls in a long time, apparently.
Yeah. Now cut it. 1 second. Put it down. The dough needs to be firm. Put it down. Use the tape. Use the tape. Use the tape. Yeah, do it. You're gonna go ahead and do this. Lift it up. Lift it up. Lift it up, and you form the ball. Use the tape. Now close it like a balloon. Close. Okay, perfect. And put it there. Perfect. Upside down. Upside down. Now it's good. See, that helps.
Bravo, Borgo.
Okay. Now it's time you guys to make the pizza.
Borgo, bravo.
Before making the pizza, the counter needs to be dry. All the time. Then you put flour. Flour mixed up with the semolina is the best. Little bit of flour on the bottom. Little bit, not too much. Show me if you pay attention.
Plenty flour.
Flour. Flour. Rule number 1.
And then
Perfect. Not too much. Go the other side, the sides. Voila. Now a little bit of flour right there. Then upside down on the flour.
upside down on the floor.
On the flour, upside down. Perfect. Done. Now stretch. No. So upside down a couple of times,
Okay.
and then you move it right here. Perfect. Done. Keep the dough as a circle. Press from the bottom to the top without touching the crust. Gently. Perfect. A little bit more harder now. Go back.
Go back?
No, yeah. From here, go back.
Okay.
Press. No stretch. Are you gonna see this?
Perfect.
Just gonna press. Perfect. Now flip it over. Take off the flour. Okay, now press more harder. One hand you press, one hand you pull.
Okay.
Turn your hand.
Turn my hand.
Put it on top. Now, yes. Once you have 10 inches pizza, close your hands right there. Close this. On top. Lift it up. Hands under. Make it large. Larger. Yeah, but then your hands needs to be inside the dough.
Okay.
Okay, now find a spot right there.
Okay.
And like this, put it down. Done. Now just make a circle, like that gently, and it's ready to go. It's just a few technique.
Okay.
So now go ahead and make the pizza. Whatever you want to make, you make. In the center, a little bit more.
So where do you fish?
Okay.
Ah. Where do you
Is the spoon is not really proper spoon. It's okay. A little bit more, Done. Then you want to make a classic cheese pizza, margherita?
Yes, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, basil first, because basil needs to go under the cheese.
Because he said make whatever you want.
Parmesan.
So when you do your margarita, do you leave whole leaves, you tear them, how do you feel?
I break it. I break it. And then fresh mozzarella. Use both hands.
Oh, I see what you mean.
And then olive oil. Can I have the peel, please? Olive oil everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yes. Especially on top of the basil.
Top of the basil.
Because it is
So look, you hold it, and then put your peel under. Okay. Come this side.
Yeah. Because I tell my mother about this.
Hold it.
Yeah, I'm born in Pennsylvania, grew up in Irvine.
No, alright. Yeah, hold it and then peel under. Yeah, a little bit more,
But apparently there's an Appalachian relationship.
Yeah,
to the
yeah, and always peel,
Yun.
keep it down.
They call each other you.
That's it. Now make a bigger pizza. 2 hands.
So,
There you go.
so you're calling the Ewans from...
Okay, now let's go in the oven. And then the other stuff. Let's go. The pizza is ready. You did a really good job.
All right.
It's got it. We got the perfect structure. It's soft and it's crunchy. Guys, we made some more pizzaiolo today. We're gonna finish up this. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
Smash the light.
Now let's go ahead and enjoy the pizza.
Hey, let's get some pizza now.